Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Once again, I am here. Today, I am going to share with you how to start English. Okay, how should we start speaking English? Maximum people have a problem how to start English because every person want that because they could speak well but they couldn't. So I think we should learn English a lot. Okay, we should have practice a lot. So yeah, because we should learn English something like this as a child, because English is not our native language. English is a second language. So we should learn English as a child. As a child, learn a language, because he observes everything, everything. Which happens around him. So we should learn English something like this, because in this way is very good for improving every language. Okay, actually English is a very good language, because because English is a international language. If you want to a good job, could go to good field, so you should learn English. So yeah, actually because in the beginning, we start speaking well, but after that our mind goes blank. Why? Actually, I think this is a big issue for every person who want to improve English, who want to start speaking English. Okay, actually, so that times immediately you should start speaking in Hindi. Yeah, because in this way your confidence, you know confidence, because keep your confidence remains. So I think you should apply this way. Yeah, and you should have the practice a lot, because you should watch the YouTube channels in English, because you should observe everything, who speak in English. And I think so many videos are available on YouTube. And yeah, so you should watch YouTube channel, YouTube video in English. So yeah, actually, because when I start speaking English, so that times that times I speak well. I speak, well, but sometimes my mind goes blank. Uh, it happens. You know, every person who want to speak English. So initially it happens. So don't worry, because we should have the practice a lot for improving English. So yeah, actually, yeah, I think sometimes sometimes we think about environment, because environment is not good for learning English. Yeah, I know environment, because I don't have any environment. But the environment is a your excuses, because who want to learn English. So that person don't care about any excuses. Okay, so you should because you should create environment yourself. And when you walk, so you speak in English. When you sit, so then you speak English. So something, you think in English. So something like this, your mind, prepare your mind for speaking English. So something like this, you can speak well. Okay, actually, I have a big problem. I don't have any partner, but I say something like this because I don't have any partner. So I think this is a excuses, because I am making the excuses. But don't don't focus on anything, only focus on your speaking. Okay, so yeah, so in the last, I would like to say, because you should have the practice a lot, and you speak with yourself if you don't have any partner. Okay, actually, yeah, so yeah, so that's is my video. So I am going to end my video. So please do subscribe, like and comment my video. Okay, so thank you, bye bye.